two top Twitter tools, built for growth, but only one can claim the crown. Which one really delivers? On the left, Tweet Hunter, laser-focused and AI-powered to master Twitter. On the right, Hype Fury, bringing automation and content scheduling across Twitter and beyond. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, so here's what's on our mind map for this showdown. We're looking at pricing, features and automation, analytics, ease of use, platform reach, and of course, community and audience building. Ready? Let's start with pricing. First up, pricing. Okay, Tweet Hunter gives you a 7-day free trial, and to be fair, a ton of its features are packed even into the lower tiers. But here's the catch. A lot of those super cool AI and CRM powers, you need to shell out for a higher plan. The entry price is just a bit steeper compared to Hype Fury. Just saying. Now, switching over to Hype Fury, you actually get a free tier, and that's pretty sweet if you're just dipping your toes. Their lowest paid plan is under $25 a month, which is honestly such a great deal for solo creators. Of course, if you want all those juicy analytics and premium tricks, you'll have to climb up a tier. But for most, the value's hard to beat. So for the budget-conscious, Hype Fury quietly takes the win here. Now, let's jump into features and automation. With Tweet Hunter, you're getting some spicy stuff, like serious AI-powered tweet writing, a legit Twitter CRM for managing connections, and that viral tweet library for inspiration. Honestly, it feels hyper-focused. But, and here's the thing, Tweet Hunter is all in on Twitter X. You won't find multi-platform shenanigans here. Hype Fury, though? Oh, and here's something cool. They'll schedule posts across Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Their autoplug promo system is kind of magical for anyone selling or promoting things. Plus, their content recycling setup is a dream if you hate reinventing the wheel every week. If you want automation that stretches beyond Twitter, Hype Fury just delivers more. So, for pure versatility, Hype Fury wins. Okay, let's talk analytics. Because what even is growth without stats, right? Tweet Hunter actually gives you advanced analytics, and you get those even on their lower tier plans. It's awesome. Thread breakdowns, engagement insights, the works. Makes you feel like a social scientist. Hype Fury, meanwhile, does offer solid analytics, but you kind of have to spring for their premium plan to unlock the deep stuff. On the basic plan, you get the essentials, but it's not mind-blowing. So, for true analytics nerds, Tweet Hunter pulls ahead this round. Wait, quick fun fact. Did you know Tweet Hunter's AI can whip up viral threads tailored just for you? In seconds. That's honestly wild, right? Ease of use. Now this one's super interesting. Tweet Hunter's interface? It's clean, simple, and really helps you focus if Twitter is your world. Content discovery feels pretty effortless. Hype Fury, on the other hand, rocks a modern UI. And let's be real, it's super handy if you're posting everywhere at once. Scheduling is a breeze either way. Honestly, it's a tie here. Both just work and make your life easier. Let's switch gears to platform reach. Tweet Hunter, if you haven't already guessed, is all about Twitter/X. There's absolutely zero support for LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook. It's kind of unapologetic about that. For deep Twitter growth, that's cool. But if you want more, that's a problem. Now, Hype Fury, this is where it shines. You can post across all those platforms. So if you're chasing reach and want to be everywhere your audience hangs out, it's the clear frontrunner. No contest here. Hype Fury takes it. And finally, community and audience building. Tweet Hunter gets really clever. You've got CRM tools to help you network and engage one-on-one on Twitter, plus smart AI to help you reply, send DMs, and keep the connection train going. It's kind of nuts. Hype Fury does bring the automation for engagement, and evergreen posts, which is super handy. But there's no dedicated CRM vibes, so Twitter pros might feel that gap. For building real relationships and managing your audience, Tweet Hunter is still king. So if you're looking at how these stack up across all categories, the radar chart's honestly a toss-up if you don't care about platforms. But the clear trends, Tweet Hunter dominates Twitter-specific stuff and analytics. Hype Fury dominates pricing, automation, and reach. In the end, here's my take. In 2025, if you're dead set on conquering Twitter, Tweet Hunter's AI and CRM tools are just unbeatable. But if you want flexibility and prefer posting everywhere, Hype Fury's cross-platform magic is the way to go. Twitter power users, go for Tweet Hunter. If you're a multi-channel marketer, Hype Fury is your friend. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.